Hello class. In this video, we will be going over 3 different types of sentences. Writing using a variety of sentence types can really spice up your writing. So now once again, it's that time for you to get out your class notebook and something to write with, as you will need to take notes. The first type is a simple sentence. A simple sentence is a clause which expresses a complete thought with a subject and verb. If the clause has multiple subjects or multiple predicates, it is said to be a simple sentence with compound subjects or a simple sentence with compound predicates. Now let's look over the examples. I enjoy reading very much. This is a simple sentence with one subject and one verb. Bob and Susie went fishing for trout. This is also a simple sentence with compound subjects, Bob, Susie. Miss Sue read and sang to her class before leaving. This again is a simple sentence with compound predicates, read and sang. Please pause the video and write one example of each one of these sentences. Now let's go over the compound sentence. A compound sentence is a clause which expresses a complete thought with two or more independent clauses, usually joined with a coordinating conjunction or a semicolon. Remember that the coordinating conjunctions are one of the fanboys: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Now let's look over the examples. The first example, I like pizza and my boyfriend likes lasagna. This is a compound sentence being joined with a coordinating conjunction and. The second sentence, my car is blue, semicolon, his car is black, is a compound sentence with two independent clauses being linked with a semicolon. Please pause the video and write an example using a coordinating conjunction. Now let's look over the compound complex sentence. A compound complex sentence has two or more coordinate independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. A dependent clause is a clause which provides information but which cannot stand alone as a complete thought. Let's look at the example. After the movie, Renee and I went to eat, and after we ate, we went to the mall. This is a compound complex sentence with two dependent clauses, which are after the movie and after we ate. And it has two independent clauses being linked with the coordinating conjunction and the independent clauses are Renee and I went to eat and we went to the mall. Please pause the video and write a compound complex sentence. And now for the homework assignment. I will be collecting the homework next time we meet. I need you to please write at least 3 sentences for each type of sentence and bring them to class with you. Along with the homework, I will be collecting the sample sentences you made from the video. This concludes our writing lesson.